Hey there, mathematicians. Happy Monday. Today is time for the number of the day. So first we're going to generate what our number is going to be today. Are you ready? Okay, and the number of the day is, say it with me please, 89. Alright, so the very first thing that I do is write my number in standard form. If you remember, standard form is when you represent the number using digits. So now I ask you, how many digits are in the number 89? 2. And what are they? 8 and 9. So now we're going to write the number using word form. 89. Excellent. Alright, and now I'm going to give you 30 seconds to represent the number 89 using place value. So remember, ask yourself, does this number have, we start from the greatest place value to the least place value. So does it have any hundreds? How many tens? How many ones? In this case, the number does not have any hundreds, so you ask yourself how many tens and how many ones. 30 seconds. Represent in your notebook. So you have your notebook ready. If you do not, go ahead and grab a paper and a pencil, and in your notebook represent the number 89 using base 10 blocks. Here we go, 30 seconds starting now. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Alright, so under option 1, I'm going to represent the number 89 using my place value. And the number 89, these digits tell me exactly how many tens and how many ones. Remember, what place value is the 8 in? 10. And what about the 9? The 9 is in the ones place. Excellent. So this tells me that there are how many tens? 8 10. And how many ones? 9 ones. Good job. Alright, so now it's time to draw it, represent it with option 1. We count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. Now I'm going to label it. What is the total value of my 8 tens? And as we just counted, as we were drawing, it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 8 tenths has a value of 80. And now we represent the number of 1. So in the bottom, I'm going to represent 9 ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Once again, I'm going to represent the total value. I'm going to label the total value of 1s. 9 ones gives me what value? Okay, easy peasy. The value of 9 ones is 9. Alright, so I'm going to leave option 2 as your assignment. I want you to represent the number 89 under option 2 in a different manner. So what is something that you can do? Well, you can decompose. Remember, decompose means to break apart. So you can break apart, or you can decompose one of the tens, or 2 of the tens, or 3 of the tens, or maybe you want to challenge yourself and decompose all of the tens and represent the number 89 with only ones. That is your choice. That is going to be your assignment. Okay, now moving on. You're going to do it, but not yet. Okay, we're going to move on right here. So now I'm going to show the number 89, and I'm going to find the number that is 1 greater than 89, the number that is 1 less than 89, 10 less, and 10 more. And you can go ahead, and if you have a 120s chart in your home, great. If not, you guys can create your own on a sheet of paper. Just label it 1 through or 0. We always start at 0 to 120, and you will have your 120 chart at home. Okay, that's something that's very simple to do. So now moving forward, 89, I'm going to first find it in my 120 chart, and I'm going to count. So I'm going to get to the 80s because it's 8 tens, and that represents 80. So I'm going to count 10, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89. Now once I have identified the number 89 on my hundreds chart, then I can find the number that is 10 greater, the number that is 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less, or 1 greater and 1 less. So I'm going to leave this blank because that's going to be your assignment as well. So assignment number 1 is represent the number 89 in a different way, and assignment number 2 is represent the numbers that are 1 greater, 1 less, 10 less, and 10 greater. And in the bottom, we're going to go ahead and compare the number 89 with a second number. So let's go ahead and generate what is going to be our second number. Are you ready? Here we go. Generate. Oh, whoa, 120. So we're going to compare the number 89 to 120, and this is going to be assignment number 3 for you. So right here we have to create 2 comparison sentences. First, our comparison sentence is going to use less than, and our second comparison sentence is going to use greater than. So you have to decide, mathematicians, if when I'm using the less than option, what is my comparison sentence going to be so that it can be true? Is 89 less than 120, or 120 is less than 89? And then using the greater than sign, again, decide which statement is going to be true. 89 is greater than 120, or 120 is greater than 89. So that is assignment number 3, boys and girls. Remember, write your comparison sentence using the numbers, and in the bottom using words. So blank is less than blank, and over here blank is greater than blank. And if you want to challenge yourself, you can add because and explain to me why. Maybe you compare the tens place and say because 89 has 8 tens, and well, I'll leave that to you. That's your challenge if you'd like to challenge yourself and push yourself a little bit more. So that is your assignment for today. Please check your student profile, and your assignments will be posted there so that you can submit them on a sheet of paper. Represent the number 89 in a different way. Second, show me a number that is greater than 1 greater, 1 less, 10 less, and 10 more than 89, and then complete your 2 comparison sentences. I'm excited to see your work, and keep working hard, guys. I mean, I loved all the work that you turned in last week. I'm really excited for all the hard work that you're doing, and I'm excited to see this work. See you later.